10 New Technology Trends for 2024, New Tech Horizons. The rapid evolution of technology today is ushering in a new era of change and progress, propelling us into an era where the pace of transformation is unprecedented. Generative AI. Generative AI refers to a class of artificial intelligence systems that possess the capability to generate new content autonomously. Computing power. Computing power, often measured in terms of processing speed and capacity, is a fundamental cornerstone of the modern technological landscape. Smart devices. Smart devices, or Internet of Things, IoT, devices, represent a transformative wave in technology that has brought about a paradigm shift in how we interact with and perceive everyday objects. Datafication. Datafication is a transformative process that has become central to the way information is collected, analyzed, and utilized in the contemporary digital era. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, represent cutting-edge technologies that have revolutionized the way computers process information and perform tasks. Extended reality. Extended reality, XR, refers to a spectrum of immersive technologies that seamlessly blend the physical and digital worlds, encompassing virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. Digital trust. Digital trust is a fundamental concept in the modern digital landscape, emphasizing the confidence and reliability individuals and organizations place in digital systems, technologies, and interactions. 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a transformative technology that allows the creation of three-dimensional objects layer by layer from digital models. Genomics. Genomics is a field of molecular biology that focuses on the study of an organism's entire genome, which is the complete set of DNA, including all of its genes. New energy solutions. New energy solutions refer to innovative and sustainable approaches to generating, storing, and utilizing energy with the aim of addressing the challenges associated with traditional energy sources, such as fossil fuels.